Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Xumo Streambox remote volume not working. So if your Xumo Streambox remote is working, but the volume buttons are not responding, you can just simply try these solutions that I'm about to give you in this video. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing. On most of the setups, the Xumo remote controls your TV volume, but the box volume. So if the volume isn't working, the remote may not be properly paired with your TV. So this is the number one cause. And in order to fix it, you just have to reprogram the remote to your TV. For that, simply go to the Xumo settings. In the settings, look for the option of remote and accessories. Afterwards, look for the option of remote setup. So when you are inside the option of remote setup, when you click on it, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to pair your remote with your TV. In it, you just have to first of all select your TV brand. After that, you just have to test the volume. So this step is going to relink the remote's volume control to your television. If you skip this step, the volume buttons often do nothing. Now, in your case, if the issue still persists, you can just simply try resetting everything. So for that, you just have to first of all restart your TV, restart the Xumo Streambox. Once both the devices reboot, you can again test the volume. Now, sometimes you can look for the batteries as well. The weak batteries often affect the specific buttons. So even if other buttons work, sometimes when the battery is low, the volume keys may fail. So you can try inserting the fresh batteries and you can test it again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.